Yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Stylecraft Pro Flex. This trimmer got gold titanium X Pro Classic fixed blade, a super torque motor with a 7,500 RPM, got 3 hours operating time, and you can make it also a skeleton, a micro USB chargeable, zero gap setter, interchangeable faceplate. So these are the colors you can change to. This is it, the interchangeable faceplate. So I guess you can change something here or something like that. If you remove these screws and then see these screws, if you remove these screws and then press this black thing, so you can remove this place, then you can change it. So I like my black faceplate, that's why I left it there. So you got a charging stand, the normal one. Okay, I don't know if maybe this one can fit on it. Well, they should, yeah, but it's not that stable. See, it fits, but it's not stable. Okay, what about this one? No, doesn't go in. Okay. As you can see, it fits with this one perfect. So. And inside, as usual, you got your screwdriver, the manual, guide combs, guards, oil, and wheel brush. You got a micro USB and the normal charging cable. Okay. This is the trimmer. It's okay. The trimmer is good. I really like this blade because it reminds me of Walty white blade. I was really a big fan of Walty white blade. So this one is good and it's sharp. I didn't zero gap it. It comes like this. So you can see. So it's a really good trimmer, and if you want to buy this hair trimmer, you can easily use my discount code EDO. If you want to buy anything from Stylecraft website, use my discount code EDO. almost the same length.